If you've been trying to decide between Claude Code and Cursor AI, this video will make the choice much easier. Both are incredibly powerful AI coding tools, but they're built for very different workflows, and understanding that difference can save you a lot of time, frustration, and money. In this guide, I'm going to break down Claude Code versus Cursor AI in a simple, practical way, so you can figure out which one fits the way you actually code. And if this kind of software tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Let's start with Claude Code. Claude Code is a terminal-based AI coding agent, which means it works right from your command line instead of living inside a full code editor. That makes it especially useful if you already spend a lot of time in the terminal, managing projects, running commands, and working directly with source code at a deeper level. One of Claude Code's biggest strengths is that it can understand large code bases really well. If you're working on a big project with lots of files, dependencies, and moving parts, Claude Code is designed to help you make sense of the whole system. It's great for multi-file refactoring, which means you can ask it to update or improve code across several files at once, instead of changing everything manually. It can also run terminal commands, which is a huge advantage for developers who want a more autonomous workflow. Instead of just suggesting code, Claude Code can help carry out tasks, debug issues, and assist with more complex development work with minimal guidance. That makes it feel less like a chat assistant and more like a coding agent that can actually help move a project forward. Another major feature is native support for MCP, which stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, this allows Claude Code to connect to external tools and services. That means it can become part of a bigger workflow, integrating with other systems, and expanding what it can do beyond basic code generation. Now let's talk about Cursor AI. Cursor is an AI-powered code editor built on Visual Studio Code, so if you already like the VS Code experience, Cursor will feel very familiar. It's designed to enhance your coding workflow right inside the editor, which makes it ideal for developers who want fast assistance without leaving their normal environment. Cursor AI shines when it comes to real-time autocomplete, inline code editing, and AI chat. As you type, it can help complete code faster, suggest edits directly in your files, and answer questions about your project without interrupting your flow. That makes it especially helpful for day-to-day coding, quick fixes, and staying productive while writing code. Another big advantage is that Cursor supports multiple AI models, including Claude, GPT, and Gemini. That gives you flexibility, because you can choose the model that best fits the task you're working on. If you want a more familiar editor with powerful AI features built in, Cursor is a very strong option. So how do you choose between them? The easiest way to think about it is this. If you primarily work inside an IDE and want fast code suggestions, inline help, and a familiar editing environment, Cursor AI is probably the better fit. It's designed for speed, convenience, and a smooth coding experience. But if you prefer a terminal-based workflow and you need an AI agent that can handle project-wide changes, debug more complex issues, and automate coding tasks more independently, Claude Code is often the stronger choice. It's especially useful when you want to work across an entire codebase and let the AI handle bigger, more involved tasks. And honestly, many developers don't choose just one. A lot of people use both together. They use Cursor AI for everyday coding, quick edits, and inline assistance, while using Claude Code for larger refactoring, debugging, and more autonomous development tasks. That combination can give you the best of both worlds. So the bottom line is simple. Cursor AI is best if you want an AI-enhanced code editor that feels like home. Claude Code is best if you want a terminal-based AI coding agent that can take on more complex, project-wide work. Once you understand that difference, it becomes much easier to pick the right tool for your workflow. If this comparison helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more AI and software tutorials, and let me know in the comments which one you'd choose, Claude Code or Cursor AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.